We got the top 2 deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you guys won't miss any of these deals. Any of the killer deals we gotten over the past. Yeah, they might come up again. Anyways, that's it. Let's go ahead and get started. That's $100. This battery starter kit was $199. These are HP batteries, so you guys know these are quality batteries. You got the buy one get one free on these. There's a whole bunch of buy one get one frees. I do not like what they're doing with this new setup that they have. It's really hard to see everything. It's really hard to see if they have it in stock or not. So they have all the on this. They have all the pictures and all the deals here at the end of the end caps, and then they have the tools behind bars basically. Yes, that's where we're going. Every store is going the same direction. Unfortunately, there's just been a lot of stealing. I've witnessed a lot of steals that from other people, just running around, running out the store with obviously with Milwaukee tool or DeWalt. So yeah, it's been kind of fun. Well, not fun, the other way around. If you guys have any stories, let us know in the comment section, or if you guys heard of anything. But anyways, we got somebody working next door, so excuse the noise. We got some bimetal blades, and then we got the starter kit. This is the buy one get one free starter kit. See, you don't even know which one's the starter kit that buy one get one free, and you don't even know the tools that are buy one get one free. I just know them off the top of my head. All these tools are the buy one get one free, so these do qualify for the free gift with purchase. So these will be free with the select starter kit. We got the Shockwave 7-piece titanium drill bits at $16.97, and 7-piece titanium, yeah. And then we have the 60 piece Shockwave Impact Duty. $34.97 was $47.97, and then we got the ink saw 12 pack for $10.97. These are really nice, guys. Definitely check those out. I really like those. Once I use them, you can go back. You got a 30-footer, $19.97 compact tape measure. You got some oscillating blades, $29.88. High vis 10 pocket vest, $14.97. You got hard hat, $21.57 from Milwaukee. Now on these, I don't really like them because they don't have any larger vent holes. There's other brands that do have them. Keep in touch and to this channel. We do often run into those, and we'll let you guys know. So $199 for that starter kit, and we'll get you a free tool or a free flashlight. This is one of the free flashlights. Like I said, I hate this behind bars type of thing. It's just annoying. You got a 10-inch aviation snips, and this is another one of the free tools. This is the pump. This is one of the newest free tool. If you guys run into those meter boxes and all that, flooding meter boxes, $199. All right, you got the straight jaw pliers, $24.97. It's a really nice. I really like the design on these. However, I do own a couple of the non-branded ones. They work pretty good too, as well. Got the 30 footers here for $19.97. Was $21.97. They're pretty nice. You got the fastbacks. You guys know these are really nice. These are really handy to use. Fastback utility knife, the original one, $10. You got the buy one get one free. So obviously this is the deal that you got to buy the 249 kit, which includes a high output batteries, 5 and a 2.5. Will get you any of these tools. The rocket light, the ratchet, right die grinder. See, I can't talk today. I need my coffee. $259 for this kit. This is a rotary SDS. Now, this is, like I said, it's very confusing, but yeah, here's the free tools you guys could get with these. It's all over the place. It's a mess. This store, Home Depot, if you're watching this, fix it. All right, so $149 will get you a free tool. Those are the free tools that you're able to get. I'll definitely go for the Pack-Out Light, the M2 Pack-Out Light. And then this is the $249 deal. It will get you that the rocket light or the What is that? The other one, the vacuum. Same thing with these. These are buy one get one free. So these are very confusing. So 239 will get you a free battery. Um, and this is again, this is the deal. All right, so this one is a buy one get one free as well. You do get a battery, I believe, a 2.0 amp hour battery with these. And let's test them out. See what these things are made of. They're very compact. You guys could see they're the size of one of my fingers, basically. So these are really small, very lightweight. All right, so let's put it in there and try it out. Yeah, guys, not bad at all. Not bad at all for that one. It's pretty powerful for a little guy like that. So 199 is an 8 amp hour battery. And 100 reciprocating saw 169. And then you got the high torque impact wrench 279, which does qualify for a free battery. I ended up getting this deal for one of my cousins. 379 for the high torque impact wrench kit. And then you got the buy one get one free M12s. So you buy any of the kits on the left, get a free tool on the right. Definitely recommend you guys get the ratchet, the right angle drill. The light's pretty nice. Oscillating tool. So pretty nice deals with those. Definitely the ratchet's probably the best one. Alright, so this one's the whole hog. This is a half inch whole hog. Now this is the corded style. So 288 was 359. So if you guys need something with the cord, you know, not invest in a battery platform, this is the way to go. But if you have better batteries, try to invest in a battery tool. It's just they're getting up there with the corded, so they're almost as strong, or sometimes even more than the corded tool. You get the quarter inch drywall screw gun, 104 down from 129. You guys do see there. It's a DeWalt's DW 272. 225 18 gauge shears, Milwaukee. And this is corded as well. So got the buy one get one free. So those are the kit you have to buy, 199. Get a free lights. So guys, if you come up to a store like this that has them all, like all deals all over the place, just take a picture of the deal, you know, the cardboard or the announcement, whatever they have. Just take a picture of that and then just show it to somebody, and eventually they'll find, you know, where the tools are at. So yeah, don't get stressed out. But yeah, it's just a mess with it. You can't see whatever they have in stock or whatnot. Alright, so this is the clearance section. You got the brushless trimmer kit down to 176. It's a pretty good deal. It does include a 6 amp hour battery, a charger. So that's a pretty nice. It is a high output battery. So high output batteries are exactly that price, around 180 bucks, 170 bucks. You got the plastic mailbox pack, $15. You got the plate, guys. Now it's on clearance. Yeah, make sure you guys see what's the price at your store. Here's still the same price, $24.97. I'm pretty sure that's gonna drop down in price. You got the nail gun. This is the framing nailer for $285. Was $379. You got the lights. This is the rigid light. The panel light, by the way, $129. All right, you got some earplugs. All day comfort. It does come with a nice little case. So that's pretty good. $294. That was $567. It is a 3-pack, according to what it says there. You got a jigsaw tool only, $44.97. You got Bluetooth job site radio, 112 was $159. That's pretty nice. You got the Dremel universal. Now this is a drywall saw blade. Alright, some more high visibility vests. This is the clearance section. This one's $13 down from $16. You got an orange high visibility vest. This was $18. It's pretty nice. That was from the Home Depot brand. You got a starter kit for a 2 amp hour to 129. You got a 23 gauge pin nailer. 219. That was 249. And then you got a 3-inch cutoff tool, 179. A router, 129. Or actually a jigsaw, 129. The router is just beside it. So the router is 136. You got the hammer drill for 139. Was 179. And then you got the impact wrench. The impact wrench 136 was 169. So wait until these prices drop, guys. Don't get them just right off. You got the hammer drill there, 119. You got the Milwaukee shirt, XL, $18 down from $19.97. Yeah, like I said, wait until these prices drop because sometimes they will drop. 8-piece all-purpose storage bins, $19.98. And you got the vest there again. So guys, yeah, definitely check it out. There's a lot of good deals to get. You just have to look for them. You know, obviously get on your boots and go to the store and get out. 2106 was 27. So these are nice plates. You got a segmented. You got the buy one get one free. These are hackable, by the way. So if you guys return that battery, you guys get a discount, big discount on those. Obviously keep the tool or the toolkit at a discounted price. You got $5.99. This is the self-propelled model. Was $6.99, so they're down $100 basically. These are solid machines. You got $4.49 down from $5.49 for the push. Okay, so you got the push on the left, and then you got the self-propelled on the right. Then if you want the Toro brand, 60 volts, a little bit more power, $5.49 for that one. Was $7.29. And then you got these generator cords. I guess there's a whole bunch of generator cords going on here for $99.97. 25 feet, 10.3. And then you got the adapters here. Generator adapters. I'm thinking of getting something like this for my generator. So you got the regular, what is it, 20 amp plug. And then you got the 4-prong there for the generator. Alright, so you got the handheld sprayer down to $13.02, was $69. So this is like a mist sprayer or something like that. I never used something like this. Usually they have them on clearance, or they give them out as a free tool. You get the bristle cleaning kits, $282, and they're already out of stock on these, by the way. The 2-piece hard bristle kit was $10.97, and same thing with this, the soft. They already sold out on these. Alright, so all the rings are on clearance, guys, or new lower prices. So if you guys want to put some gadgets on your house, some lights, some cameras, whatever. So you got a smart lighting here. This one's $50 down from $99. So you got some nice discounts on these. This one's $13 down from $49. Motion lights. You got another smart lighting, white, $38 down from $49. And another motion light, $38. So lots of good deals on these, because they're smart. Basically you use them with the app. Here's another one. Here's another one, a smaller one for $29.99. So they're great for small areas. And then you got a light bulb. Pretty good deals on these light bulbs, half price basically. Alright, that's it, guys. Just a quick overview of what's up with the depot. This is quite a different depot, especially the way they're racking, they're putting behind bars all the tools. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.